Dear computer students of class 8A and 8B, I, Sir Indrajit, today I will be starting a new chapter, that is chapter 5, app development. After the completion of chapter 6, that is network, so this one is another new chapter, that is app development. See, nowadays the word app is quite familiar. All of you are very much familiar with the term as app, and these apps are present in all your smartphones, and then we can download various types of apps from either from Google Play Store, mainly from the Google Play Store, or from the Apple Play Store. Okay, so Apple Play Store or iPhone Play Store, you can download the various applications which are to be used in your own smartphone. Now, so the app, see, the word app stands for application. I repeat, the app stands for application. Now, these services we are going to discuss another important and useful internet service called app development. Now, these apps are mainly created with the help of the following languages like C, C++, or Java programming. And these apps are created for laptops, smartphones, and tablets, and they all have Android as the basic platform. Is it clear? Now, uh, in the next page, so it's given as working with the apps. Now, in order to work with the apps, so you should be or you should download various types of apps which are mainly meant for your smartphone. But before that, you have to be careful what is the operating system my smartphone is having. Suppose if it is an Android operating system, then you can easily download from the Google Play Store. But suppose if you have some other handset like iPhone handset, or another any other mobile where different handsets are using, so you have to be very careful from where you have to download. Like for the iPhone, that is the Apple product, you have to download from iPlay Store. And maximum say and the maximum smartphones which are available in the market, they all are using the Android version, the latest Android version in their smartphone. So it becomes very easy to download any kind of applications from the Google Play Store, and you can use it for various kinds of work. Now, so always you have to be very careful that which app I have to download, whether it will support my smartphone or with the operating system, with the hardware. So whenever you are downloading, please see the specifications or the specification hardware and software requirement of that particular app which will be installed and it will be used in your smartphone for a particular job or maybe some kinds of work. Okay, now these apps are classified into two types. One we say as the mobile apps, and the another is the mobile websites or the online apps. Okay, now first we are going to discuss about the online apps, which is given in page 113, the last part. Now whenever we say as the online apps, it means those downloaded apps, it will work only when your net is connected. Like all the different kind of banking apps, or the any kind of money related or money transaction related apps. For that you have to require, or for that you require an internet connection to do all this work. And various these social websites or the social apps also, they can only work, or or you can share the information only if the net is connected, and if there is no connection, net connection, you cannot send any kind of information to the others. So I hope it is clear. Online apps means all the different banking apps which will work when the net connection is on, otherwise it will not work. Okay, turn the page. Next comes as the mobile apps. I'll give you some examples like ms office ms office apps, then this is some music apps. Okay, then similar kinds of more apps are there. For that you don't require, or so there is no need for the internet to be on, means your device is connected with the net. Now in this one there is no need for any net connection. You can do the work personally of your own. When your work is over, then you upload it. Then you can upload it, or you can do your own personal work and save, and save save your work for any kind of particular job. So these apps can be worked offline. Small example like ms word, ms excel, ms powerpoint, any kind of pdf files. Okay, then any kind of music player, video player, or if you download any kind of media players, so those apps can work without the net connection. I hope this one is quite clear. Now the next topic coming as commonly used maps. Commonly used apps means which we very frequently use for in our everyday life to get the various kinds of helps, or maybe to help others. So these apps are very very useful. So the first one of the most important app is the Google Maps. Say the Google Maps, it is there in your own smartphone by default, or we say it's a system app which is present which is present in all the smartphone to do various kinds of work for the user. Now first is coming as the Google Maps. So this Google Map is one of the most frequently used apps in mobile phones. If you tap on Google Maps, it will show the location of the mobile, and it will give you the shortest route from source to destination, and in between it will give us the app will give us the various kinds of directions, when to take the right turn, left turn, if any problem is there, that also will be informed by using these apps. Okay, and for today the last one is the Facebook app. So it is one of the most important social networking apps to share various kinds of information or various kinds of data to do this work. The main advantage of Facebook is that the posted message is passed instantly to the timeline of the friends, and it also allows you to connect with one or more friends for video conversing. Okay, so thank you. So make sure you study this chapter. After finishing the chapter, then I'll give you some important question answers from this chapter. Okay, thank you.